Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment, install the removal tool and confirm it's version 1, 2 or newer because older builds miss patterns. Once installed, make a quick backup of your link list named Links Backup, TXT to undo changes if needed. Then open the terminal and CD to the folder containing your links. Now run the tool with a dry run flag to see matches. This shows what will be removed without altering files, so you know exactly what to expect. You now craft and apply precise filters. Use the pattern option to match watch parameters and common variations. Include rejects anchors for accuracy. Make sure to add exclude entries for trusted domains so you don't strip needed links. Once done, run with dry run to preview results and review the list line by line. If false positives appear, refine patterns and rerun. Continue iterating until the preview contains only the unwanted watch. You're ready to execute removal. Run the tool without dry run to apply changes and remove the matched watch links. Once complete, verify output files by sampling several entries and confirming no expected links are gone. If something went wrong, restore from Links Backup, TXT, and repeat with tighter patterns. Make sure to run a final validation script to confirm link integrity across your dataset. If issues persist, rerun the process with Verbose to trace what the tool matched and why, then adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.